What's up, Columbia? I'm Shore. Welcome to my crib. So as you can see here, we have a nice setup. This is usually where I do a lot of my studying, grinding before all my exams or just finishing some homework. As you can see, there is a decent amount of space, but really it's about efficiency because that is New York, not a lot of space here, so I'm trying to make it as comfortable as possible. I always keep some snacks here, some fruit snacks, right under my bed. Nice storage element because my bed's pretty lofted up, so I'm able to stay ready for the winter and stuff like that. We got a beautiful view out here. I usually keep this window open. You can get a good view of courtyard, a little bit of Butler with the south lawn, and my favorite rotunda. I saw that when I first came here. I was like, wow, like this is what Columbia's about. So really enjoy that view. And yeah, this is my closet. Nice wardrobe. Set up a lot of my clothes in here. Got some water bottles, as well as my Brita over there that I use quite a bit. And do stuff laundry, keep all my shoes here. Yeah, it's nice functionality to it. For the second semester I might bring some more decorations in when I come back from home, but as of now I think it's a pretty efficient use of space, and I'm looking forward to continuing to improve it. Thank you all.